by Design for the Button Farm Club, and it's time for the next quarter's release of our Year in a Box kit. This has been such a popular kit that Laura is now selling the monthly folio kits without the box because we ran out of the box. But you can still order the tutorial, which is a video tutorial with a written cutting guide and basic directions. And the kits to make each of these folios at buttonfarmclub.com, and I will put the link for that below. So we're in the third quarter. That means July, August, and September, and room for all the wonderful summer holidays, birthdays, wonderful little double pockets. This time we have a really fun hidden pocket page with a pull-out folio. And I counted up, you can get a dozen photos in this folio. We have an accordion style pocket with a sweet little accordion 4x6 folio, room for 6 photos here, room for 4 photos here, another photo there. And then this Home of the Brave, you've got in here just a wonderful little pocket. You can give this as a gift card, or you can use this as a journaling spot. And of course you can put 1 or 2 photos here, and the back is covered. So there's July. Here's August, all beach themed, beautiful corals and aquas, just fantastic images, fantastic patterns. Love, love, love this Authentique calendar collection. And then September. So each of these has the pull-out calendar, the same basic design, which is different from the previous 2 releases so that you don't get bored. And this one has all the beautiful fall colors and images. So you can order your kit at Button Farm Club. They are somewhat limited, so when they're gone, they're gone. The tutorials remain. You can purchase this, just the tutorials, and then source the products yourself. So go to Button Farm Club. I'll put the link below. Look for the Year in a Box, third quarter, July, August, September. So thanks for joining me. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.